Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So Uber has made a massive update. They have partnered up with Google. Google and Uber deepened partnership to reimagine customer experience. We're gonna get into it, but I wanted to firstly thank our video sponsor, CarProductsUSA.com. If you are a driver, you need products for your car, cleaning products, car phone mounts, dash cam, car vacuum, cleaning supplies, anything you might need for your car air fresheners, go to CarProductsUSA.com, use code RideshareHub. That's CarProductsUSA.com, use code RideshareHub for a discount. So Google and Uber have announced an expanded partnership in which, this scares me by the way, because I don't trust Google. Well, this is YouTube. Google does own YouTube, but I don't know. It just seems a little like Uber's so corporate now that they're like, now they're partnering up with Google. I mean, it's just like, I know Uber just announced their biggest quarter earnings ever, and UCLA just released a study showing that the fares for Uber and Lyft have gone up while driver pay has not gone up as much. It was basically like a study showing that Uber and Lyft passengers have paid more than 50% more, while drivers have only been making 30% more. Google and Uber have announced that this partnership to support modernization of its data cloud infrastructure and reimagine the customer experience for Uber users, drivers, and merchants. Under the partnership, Uber will migrate some of the company's most critical infrastructure to Google Cloud and will be able to take advantage of additional Google capabilities, including ads and Google Maps platform. Our partnership with Google, Dara Khosrowshahi spoke on it. He said, our partnership with Google centers around a shared commitment to putting customer experience at the forefront of everything we do. Yeah, I'm sure that's what you want to do. What about all the drivers who are protesting all the time and who are extremely upset, literally protesting outside of your $17 million mansion in San Francisco? What do you mean? Like, he says, it is our job to continually improve and reimagine the types of experiences we're providing through the Uber platform. Yeah, all those Uber drivers homeless and sleeping in their cars while you make money. I'm sure you're so ecstatic about that, brother. You're so ecstatic about you know, I'm sure his house is paid off, or if not, I'm sure he has no trouble paying his mortgage. He's like, oh yeah, make a few million extra bucks a year, yeah, no big deal. Uber drivers, you know, making pennies on the dollar. While I'm sure he's sleeping very good at night, knowing that he wakes up with an extra 20 grand in his bank account, 100 grand, $1 million in a month, and I'm sure he makes $1 million a month. It's crazy. So I'm gonna end the video there, but Google and Uber have partnered, so basically this is showing that Uber and Google are teaming up. So is this good? In my opinion, no, this is not good. So go check out CarProductsUSA.com, our video sponsor, to get phone mounts, dash cams, phone chargers, car fresheners, cleaning products, car vacuums, tablets, coffee mugs, phone accessories, car seat protectors, car refrigerators, tipping signs, and a whole lot more. Go to CarProductsUSA.com, use code RideshareHub for an additional discount at checkout. Thanks for watching, take care, and talk to you soon. Bye now.